how to make money on Upwork as a virtual reality developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And the first step is to join as a freelancer, and then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. After that, you click on create my account, but for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and then my password and login. And then you fill, or first let's go back to start from the first step, because this is the last step of creating your profile. As you can see, 10 out of 10. So let's go back to start from the beginning. So here let's just go back, and here make sure to get started. And here you have a question: have you freelanced before? And you have 3 answers to choose from. You can just choose one of these answers. So guys, make sure to join the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next, and you do the same with this other question: what's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits your situation as well, and then click on next. After that, you have 3 options or 3 answers for this question, and you can choose all of them answers. So make sure to choose all of them. They're all helpful, even the third one. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from: if you want to import your resume from LinkedIn, or if you want to upload your resume from your desktop, or if you want to fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be more than 5 minutes. So let's just fill it out manually. Click on start a new profile, and here enter your skill, which is virtual reality developer, and then click on next to add your experience. Click on the plus button to add your previous work experience, and after that you proceed to add in your education history. So here you can add your education history, school, degree, field of study, and the other information. And after that you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So the first one is English, and as you can see, all profiles include this. English is a must in this platform, and here you choose your level in the language. So my level in English is conversational, and I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is my native language, which is Arabic, and the third is French, which is the language I studied in school. So my level in Arabic is native and French basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can add maximum 15 skills, and this is some suggested skills for us, like virtual reality. So let's see if you can find more skills. Let's enter virtual, and let's see what we have in here. Virtual machine, virtual reality game, virtual reality headset, storage, DG, virtualization. Let's go with Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Virtual Box. Let's go with virtual reality headset, and that's it for skills. Then click on next to write an overview. So here write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, and this is an example of a bio: a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type "I'm a virtual reality developer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile," and you'll get a very decent bio. You will just need to make some adjustments to it. change some things, add some personal information, and then you can copy and paste it in here. And going to ChatGPT will make the video long, so I'm going just to take Marty's bio and paste it in my bio. Then click on next to choose your categories, and they've already suggested some services for us like NFT, AR, VR, and game art, software development, game design, and development. Let's choose the first one and these three, and then click on next to set your rate. So here I'm going to go with $40 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can add the usual information of your address and your date of birth. Then in uploading your photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you the method I use personally to improve my profile to attract more clients, and the method I use to find more work in the platform. So I'm going to go to the main page. That's why I'm logging out. You don't need to log out. So here I'm going to the main page, and basically the strategy I use to improve my profile is that I look for the people that are doing the same skill like mine, and I search for the highest earner amongst my category, and I see what are they doing differently than me. I recognize what is working for them, and I try to implement that in my account. So here let's look for the highest earner in this category. So we have this one who earned more than $300,000, and let's see if we can find more. So I think that is the highest earner in this category. Let's see. More than 90 grand, that's not enough. 7 grand, mine, 100, 60 grand. So I think that's the highest earner. So basically we're just going to study her profile, see how much she gets paid, what are her skills, how is she talking about her skill, and all of that, and try to implement that in our profile. And in order to find more work in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, enter your skill in this search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.